Oh, he's gonna win a lot of friends with this party trick. Everyone loves these pods. Jomo's found a role model. Someday. These pods are just what Gaia and the family need. High-energy food to keep them going on the long road ahead. Shani feels some new rumbling, vibrating the ground beneath her feet. Low-frequency sounds, far lower than humans can hear. They're messages from elephants on the road ahead. Time to move on. In front of them is an astonishing network of circles and lines that stretch across the desert to the horizon. The mysterious lines are ancient elephant paths. The circles are water holes that collect and hold rain for a few months until it evaporates. Some holes contain just enough drinking water for the family to refill and travel to the next one. But others are too far apart. And some will be empty. The holes with water are the stepping stones the family will need on their week-long journey to cross this desert. And linking them together is like solving a riddle that requires many years of experience.